Hello, dear students. Today we are going to have a look at a very important concept in the syllabus of BA first year, paper 1, paper 2. This concept is the field view of Indian society. See, whenever the sociologists have attempted to understand Indian society, they have tried to do it in two ways. One is to look at the books and the scriptures and already done studies. This is called the textual view of Indian society. As opposed to this, we have the field view of Indian society, in which the sociologist goes to villages, towns, cities, areas in the society and directly interacts or quietly observes the social reality and tries to put it down on a piece of paper and then later on convert it into a piece of writing. This is called the field view of society. Um, so let us look in the next slide. Let us look at the nature of field view. What is the nature of field view? For the and the most important aspect of its nature is that it is scientific in nature, which means it is logical, rational, questionable, it is empirical. What do we mean by the word empirical? It means that it uh, it is based on direct experience of the reality. Another quality of the nature of field view is that it is a systematic description and explanation of current Indian society. So, which means that various concepts are point by point examined and explained, and the description is done. The notes are systematically taken every day, and then they are organized in a systematic manner. So this is the quality of the field view. Another nature of field view is that it is exhaustive and scientific knowledge of social organization. So the data that we collect as a result of field surveys and observation in the field is wholesome. It is complete. It looks at the style in which society organizes itself in the most comprehensive manner, and thus the description is exhaustive. It takes care. It has a look at. It tries to look at various aspects of social reality, which are visible at that point in time. And as a result, the data which is collected is scientific in nature. Let's move on to the next point. Another nature of field view is that it gives special importance to formal study of structural aspects of social system. It gives special importance to the formal study of structural aspects of social system. So when in the field view, we try to look at the society as a system and how this system is operating. What are the various parts of the society? How they are interlocked and interdependent on other parts of the society, and how, what kind of a structure this interlocking and interaction between various aspects of society uh, give rise to. What kind of a structure is coming up, and so the field view tries to look at uh, the structural aspects of the social system. Now, in the next point, it says provide it provides analytical view of functional relationship among various parts of Indian society. Now, it just does not stop at looking at the structural aspect of social system. It goes beyond that and it says how this interrelationship, interdependent structure functions. What is the interactional relationship between various parts of the society? How the change in the positioning of one part will entail and bring about change in the other parts of the society. How a movement in one aspect will give rise to movement in other aspects of the society. So this kind of an observation takes place during the field view, uh, as a part of the field view. Let's move on to the next aspect. It provides view of mutual interactions of various social units such as family, kinship, marriage, religion, caste, language, etc. When we go to study the society, then we see that there are various ways in which the society has organized itself. There are individuals, then individuals group with other individuals to form institutions like family, like kinship circles, like marriage, like religion, caste, language, villages, cities, towns, etc. These social units, what is their nature? What is their structure? How do they function? And how do they interact with each other? And what is the mutuality of this interaction? What kind of interaction gives rise to what kind of interaction? And what kind of response does it seek? So these are the things which are to be kept in in the mind, and these are the kind of questions which are thrashed out during the field surveys. And last but not the least, the next point is description of social reality. Once the sociologist goes to the field and he is analyzing, observing, looking at these all the before mentioned points, he puts down his observation in his diary or in his notebook. And this kind of an exercise he does every day. Every day after he returns from the field, he tries to jot down all the points. Then, after the survey is over, and the person goes back to his university or wherever he's coming from, then he tries to create a analytical, descriptive uh, word map of the field which he has observed. So this wordy description of the field is very wholesome and very comprehensive, and it tries to give the true and complete picture of the reality. So I think I will cut it short, and we will continue this topic in the next slide. Sorry, next video, because this video is becoming very long. So I'll continue this in the part two. Thank you.